guys, this is John from JC Chinese, and in this video, we'll continue to learn another country's name in Chinese, Cambodia, 柬埔寨. 柬埔寨. Now please follow me and let's write those three Chinese characters together.
The first character of 柬埔寨is 柬. I'm going to write down this character. Please pay attention to the stroke order. First stroke is a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn, and a hook. And a dot, a very small downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke. A vertical stroke, a downward left stroke, and a downward right stroke. 柬. So, how many strokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strokes. And its pinyin is 基安柬. The initial is 基, and the final is 一安, and is falling rising tone. 基安柬. Now I'm going to write this character again. This character is a little complicated. You can write it with me. 柬. The second character of 柬埔寨 is 埔. Now I'm going to write it here. Please pay attention to the stroke order. A horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, an upward stroke, and a horizontal stroke, vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn, and a hook. A horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, and a dot. 埔. There are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strokes. And its pinyin is 坡五埔. I'm going to write it here. See, initial is 坡, its final is 五, and its falling rising tone. 坡五埔. I'm going to write it again. The last character of 柬埔寨 is 寨. Now I'm going to write it down. The first stroke, a dot, and a very small downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a hook, and a horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, another vertical stroke, and one horizontal stroke, a downward left stroke, a downward right stroke, a horizontal stroke, and a vertical stroke with a hook to the left, and a very little downward left stroke, and a dot. This character is a little bit complicated. Now let's count together. How many strokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are in total 14 strokes. And its pinyin is 只爱债. The initial is 之. And the final is I. And its falling tone. 只爱债. Now I'm going to write it again. Please pay attention to the stroke order.柬埔寨. These 3 characters together means Cambodia. Now let's use this vocabulary and put it in a sentence. 我来自柬埔寨. I come from Cambodia. 我来自柬埔寨. I come from Cambodia. 我来自柬埔寨. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。